I should be putting my phone on the charger. Instead, let's make a vlog. Hi guys, this is Connie, and I'm a little bit scatterbrained. It is Monday, August 19th. A friend of mine's birthday, didn't even realize that. I was like, yay, happy birthday, let's go to lunch. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. I'll get you some more Coke. Anybody else need anything?
Thank you.
Should be good. Yeah. How do you not blow the candle out, really?
I'm hungry, so.
That's awesome. Getting a little frustrated with people on Facebook. People that I know in reality, go figure, are not friends with me on Facebook. And I'm kind of not understanding why, so forgive my naivety if it's because I post a scarf picture every day, or if it's that I post a lot of public stuff that's random every day. Those settings can be changed in your Facebook profile setup. But then again, Facebook changes every day, so you might constantly be changing settings. I didn't see the point, I didn't understand why the one major piece of connection that I have with some people is Facebook, and yet I'm still not technically connected to them. So I ranted for a while about that. I might make an unlisted link if you really want to hear me rant and rave while I'm driving down the road in HD. There's that. Second, my scarf pictures. I love my scarf pictures, and I post one every day. But there's more to me than scarves, folks. I appreciate that it's a little, like, conversation starter sometimes, or hey, I was thinking of you. That's great, but I got the same kind of reposting, like, a handful of times, and I got to the point where I ended up changing my Facebook cover saying, I got the message 3 times already, and if you don't see it on my wall, it's because I've hidden all of them. Don't take it personally. Not trying to be rude. Already got your message. Let's talk about more than scarves. Please! So that's a thing. And next, insert footage of my haircut.
Are you a happy customer?
Oh, yes. I enjoyed that she, you know, essentially vlogged me without me having to vlog me. So I thought that was kind of cool. Haven't had that experience yet, so yay! Either way, be careful with that and enjoy, please and thank you. Have a great Monday. I got frustrated with, like, trolling type people today on YouTube. I'm like, why? If you don't like something, don't watch it or dislike it. Don't sound ignorant in the comments, because when you're angry and you don't like something, unless you've got hard, you know, hitting, why am I doing this? Unless you've got hard hitting stuff to, wow, what are you doing? It's a construction site. You're stupid. Wow. Stupid drivers. Case in point. There, I was in the wrong lane. I canceled out my turn signal. This guy floors it. I'm going, we're still in the middle of a construction site. You shouldn't be flooring anything. You stupid. And see, you get angry and you start trolling, you say stupid. I don't like stupid drivers, and they seem to come in all walks of life. It doesn't matter if you're a boy, you're a girl, doesn't matter your ethnicity, doesn't matter the things you post on the back of your bumper sticker. Stupid drivers everywhere, all the time. And it sucks. Yeah! You get angry, you start saying ignorant things. Case in point. Wow. I just became my own example.